Hello guys, how you doing? Beautiful day down here in Hialeah, Florida. Alright, let's see what we got going on here today. Stihl TS420. Remember guys, I'm doing this video for my eBay store. I'm not trying to teach you anything. I'm not trying to fix anything. This is for my customers that want more. Picture is not enough, and they want sound. Also gonna do the video in Spanish, and then voy a hacer el video en español al final, mi gente. Alright guys, if you're new in my store, remember I take everything apart. Like that I can show you the best. Like that I can be fair with you guys the best I can. Alright. And I will put everything back. Don't get scared. Okay, I will disassemble everything like that. I would take everything and put everything back. This is the part I can read it. Inside I'm gonna throw good pictures. Don't worry about it. Okay. I'm gonna put everything the way it goes. Okay. Bueno. You can see there is dirty. You can see I'm gonna do with the flash inside there, like that I can catch out better, okay? The light is not enough inside there, but you can see already. It is good. I'm gonna throw good pictures inside there, don't worry about it, okay? Right there, you see? I got you, baby. I got you right there. Alright, remember guys, I sell for parts. This is a broken machine. This is a damaged equipment. If you're trying to fix this machine, you're making a big mistake. Why? Because it's broken, or maybe nothing wrong with it. Maybe it's 100%. I don't care. I sell for parts. Maybe this part is not good. Maybe this part is good. Or maybe it's the part that you want. You see what I do? I sell for parts. I'm sorry that I have to speak like you know, but you know, it's customers out there that don't like to lose. People up there that don't have any idea. I sell for shops, landscapers, people that know what they're doing. They've been in this business. Please, if you don't know what you're doing, don't make me waste my time in the on my store and the people on my store. All right, guys, I'm gonna give it a shot. Oh, let me check the gas. And this one, the muffler didn't come. Okay. Okay. It doesn't smell old, but it doesn't smell brand new either. Okay, you see where we're at? We're good? Okay. Sorry if I take a little bit, it's my forks machine. I should warm up. Okay, we got it. Let me see if I can time out with something. Sorry, got me off guard. Right here. See if I got it. Alright, we see the handle it. Oh, I see what I did wrong. I time up too much. Oh, it makes sense. Because it's missing the other stuff. Okay, I get it what I did wrong. See, little mistakes, guys. Little mistakes. You gotta be on top of the game, alright? Always. Alright, we're gonna try the spark plug. See where we're at. Okay, I'm gonna use this for acceleration instead of put the whole plastic thing, okay? Let me see if you're recording good there. We're good? We're bueno? We're bueno? Yeah, we're bueno. I'm gonna use this one. The old fashioned, I'm just gonna put him here and try to accelerate like that. Remember, my idea is just to get a little, you know, start to see if the machine, you know, the coil works, this and that. And this thing here. I think I can do it like that. Like that I can do it. All right. Okay, let's try the Okay, I see the spot works. This is not 100%, but it looks good. It's working. It's gonna be enough. But remember, it's a lot of tricks you can do if it's a big machine. You just can throw a little drop of gas in. When I say a little drop, guys, I mean like 1 or 2 only. This is you only do this for big machines. You see, I put too much, I think. Big machines and stuff like that. It's easy to start them. Alright. In my case, it's okay. Alright, yeah, I know. Roberto, hurry up, man. We don't got the whole day watching you doing your video. I know. Okay, I'm gonna try to see if the little thing is working. It looks a little messed up, but who knows? Maybe she will do a trick. Alright, that's a good sign already. You see how quick the gas came? That tells me carburetor bueno. Of course, don't listen to me. I'm a salesperson. The chances are I'm gonna lie. But you see already how it's gonna break up. I knew it was gonna break the moment you get the gas. You see how it breaks? But at least for what we're doing, we got a little break there. Alright, now I'm gonna open the valve here. You see that's how I'm gonna throw over here too. This will go straight to the heart. Don't throw too much, guys. I know you like to throw a lot. Okay, I think with that we'll be good with accelerating here. I think I can try to start to see at least it was working. I'm not gonna use this. Okay, so anything I will go with the hand, okay? Alright, we're gonna go a little bit to the right. Okay, let's hit it. 1, 2, 3. Woo, baby! Ay. Easy, girl. Easy. It's okay. It's early. It's okay. Calm down, girl. You hear that? I'm sure I pop this baby again. She's gonna go, I like it. I love it. Beautiful, beautiful. Guys, remember I sell for parts. This is a broken machine. This is a damaged equipment. If you're trying to fix this machine, you're making a big mistake. Why? Because it's broken. Maybe there's nothing wrong with it. Maybe it's working 100%. I don't care. I sell for parts. Alright, guys, I already showed you the rest. I'm gonna put good pictures. The rest looks good out of the machine. I got 2 like this ones. Don't fight. I got the sister that came together. See the other one. I haven't checked them out. But at least on this one, it doesn't look that bad for parts. I think it's a lot of parts you can take here. Alright, guys, remember, any questions are here. Follow my store. It's a lot of stuff there to sell. I used to put the link to my store, but I'm having problem with the link. I don't know why it's not getting it. Anything, just ask me a question and I will send you the link for my store in case you're watching this video, okay? Thank you. Hola mi gente, ¿qué me dice la raza? Que se una la raza. Ni me acuerdo si dije que iba a hacer el video en español, pero bueno, el que sabe en mi tienda sabe cómo funciona. Aquí tenemos un stihl TS420. Recuérdense mi gente que yo vendo para partes. Puede ser que la máquina no tenga nada, no me importa, yo vendo para partes. Ve, esta parte y esta parte. Ahí les enseñé todo, ya tiré buenas fotos, ya vieron que por lo menos la bobina funciona, la ladera funciona, la mariposa funciona de ahí para allá. Ya saben, vendo para parte, cualquier preguntita aquí estamos, voy a tirar buenas fotos. Voy a ponerle en mano de esta, sigan mi tienda, tengo de todo. No sé por qué estoy teniendo problemas con el link que vaya para la página, lo tengo que arreglar. Cualquier cosita me mandan un mensaje si están viendo este video y quieren saber sobre esta máquina. Recuerden que es una subasta, es 10 días, después de 10 días puede ser que tenga otra. Ok, gracias mi gente, que se una a la raza.